Good morning. My name is Suitta Milly. My NIM 18050304. Today I want presentation. I choose bab 3, topic System Teknik Documentation in the book System Informasi Accounting. I have Microteaching for my exam. Documentation is the used to provide document using accurate evidence from the recording of using of specific source of information. Documentation that explain how the system working include who, what, when, where. How data entry, processing, data store, output, information and control system. Narrative description. Narrative description, writing, explanation, step by step from the system component and the interaction of all the them. Documentation tools are very important that the following level. Minimum level, you must read the documentation to determine how the system works. 2. Evaluate documentation to identify strength and weakness of internal controlling and recommend of improvement. Prepare documentation that show how to operate exciting of proposed system. This chapter discussion the following documentation tool. First, data flow diagram. Second, flowchart. Third, flowchart, document flowchart, system flowchart, program flowchart, schematic flowchart, business program flowchart. Data flow diagram have 4 elements. Data in the data flow diagram. Data source and destination. The source and destination symbol in the DFD represent an organization or individual that send or receive data that use is or generated by the system. Data flow represent data flow between processing stroke and the stroke destination of data. Process, data process of representing data transformation. Stroke, where data is the stroke. Flowchart is types of diagram that represent a workflow or process. Flowchart have 4 symbols. First symbol, input and output symbol, indicate input to or output from the system. The processing symbol indicate data processing either electronical or by hand. Stroke symbol indicate where the data is stored. Flow symbol and other indicate data flow where flowchart begin and decisions are made how to add explanatory notes to flowchart. Types of flowchart have 4 types of flowchart. First flowchart, document flowchart. Document flowchart was developed to illustrate the flowchart of document and data between areas of responsibility within the organization. Second flowchart, system flowchart illustrates the relationship between input, processing, stock, and output. Third, program flowchart. A program flowchart illustrates the sequence of logical process carried out by a computer running. Program flowchart. Program flowchart illustrates the sequence of logical process implemented by computer for the operation program. Program flowchart explain is in data space step of the program process, program flowchart, and constituents of two types. First type program logic flowchart and detailed computer program flowchart. Number 4. Semantic flowchart. A flowchart that's similar to a system flowchart that describes the procedure in the system. The difference is semantic flowchart. A flowchart in the similar to a system flowchart that describes the procedure in the system. The difference is that in the channel to using semantic flowchart, system flowchart symbol also use computer, image, and others equipment use. Process flowchart. Process flowchart, a flowchart that widely used industrial engineering. This flowchart also use full system analysis to describe the process in a procedure. Diagram process business are visual way to explain the step or activity in a business process. For example, there are many activity income cycle. Thank you for watching my video. If you have question, you can click that comment column. You can write in anything your question. I will answer in comment column. Thank you. Bye bye.